I'm Joshua Foster. I'm 32 years old. I'm from Norcross, Georgia. In about 2015, I had surgery. I had dental surgery done in the back, so I was dealing with partial dentures. I was doing research as my face and stuff was like sinking in due to not having teeth in the back and things like that. So I've done a lot of research and went a lot of places, and I found this place. I chose Restoring 24, well, for one, for the quality of work. I've read the reviews on this place. I've heard good things about this place, and then that's when I was doing my research, that's what led me here. Yeah, as soon as they seen my smile after getting the Restoring 24, they were like, "Oh my God, like you look like a different person." I mean, and I act like a different person as well. They can tell my confidence was back. I was smiling, hugging every family member that I seen. It was great. I'm feeling, now that I have a brand new smile, I feel great. I feel like a new person. It's life-changing what it's done to my confidence after getting the Restoring 24. Now that I have the beautiful work done, I smile just about every mirror that I walk past. Walmart, it doesn't matter where it is. I stop and I kind of look. It's like, damn, I look really good. I'm happy about the work that I've got done. The staff here at Restoring 24 is one of a kind. Let me make sure, because I've went around to, Stone Mountain. I've been all the way to Cartersville, Dawsonville, and nobody has treated me as good as this place here in Woodstock. Restoring 24, I would give them a 5 out of 5. A 10 out of 10, I would recommend this place over anybody that I've been to here in Atlanta. At least 5 or 6 dental offices all over Metro Atlanta. This is the place to come.